And now we are going to do the same thing with the zinc nails on the other side. And make sure they don't touch each other. Now we're going to take some wire and connect the first copper clip to the second zinc nail. Just like that, and then we're going to connect the second copper clip to the third nail, and so on. This will create a reaction between the copper and the zinc that will create electricity. Now we're going to connect a wire to each side. The zinc nail will be minus and the copper clip will be plus. Now we are finished, and the lemon should now produce around 5 volts of electricity. The next step is to take the steel wool and place some dry tinder on it. I used toilet paper. Now we will take the wires from the lemon and place them on the steel wool. This will create a short circuit that makes the steel wool glow red hot.